So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and guys, today we're gonna be teaching you how to make this clay skull crawler. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get straight in the video. So guys, we're gonna start making the tail first. Move your hands in this crisscross way. And make this tail as long as you want it to be. And when you got your desired tail, start shaping the body. Make the central body a bit flat for this shape. Then start making the head. Remember, the most important thing is the movement of the hand. It's in a crisscross way like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shape the face. Now start pinching the head from the mid and separate the upper jaw and lower jaw. Now slowly shape the upper jaw and the lower jaw. Now complete the neck. And remember to leave some material in the middle, because this is the material from which we are gonna make the limbs. Now start pulling out the clay. Use the same crisscross method, but this time also use your nails. And when the clay starts coming out, shape it properly. Now also shape the body side by side. Cause pulling the limbs out will also affect the main body of the skull crawler. So don't forget to shape the body side by side. When the body is shaped, now we can start with the limbs. And make them a bit closer to the head. And when the position is right, Start from the back, just like this, and start shaping it. Now make the elbow like this, and also make the spike on the elbow. With the help of your thumb, clean the joint right here. Just like this. Now shape the limb properly. When the limb is made, now start making the hand. Now for the claws, just split it like this. 1, 2, 3. The same crisscross method, just flatten some clay out and then shape it properly. Again, flatten the clay out and pull it back. And now for the nails or the claws, just flat it from the tip, then shape it, make it a bit pointy. Do this with every single finger. Make the other limb same as this one. And guys, just like that, we also made the other limb. And guys, there can be some imbalance between the middle part and the other parts of the body, just like this. See, the middle part is too big as compared to the other parts of the bodies. So to fix this, just pull some clay out from the bottom, and also pull some clay out from the top like this. When you put the clay, shape it properly. Now to shape the bottom, you can also separate the limbs like this. Now shape the bottom properly too. Just pinch the clay like this and smoothen it up. Now fix the limbs. And guys, that's how you can make a clay skull crawler. So guys, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And guys, comment down below if you have any ideas for the next video. So guys, we'll see you in the next video. Until then, thanks for watching.